better make this better. Alright, so we figured it out. So we only can be in the middle and hold on, ambulance. Alright, so we're gonna be in the middle. I'm gonna get my tripod out. My mom's gonna start doing this. Okay, this lighting is not it, but we're gonna work with it. But if I don't record it, it don't happen.
Oh Lord, God.
Why?
Whatever.
Like, oh, I wish you recorded more. Yeah. I hurt my finger. Okay, these are weights. You guys need these with the tents, so weights. Okay, so we, oh sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my camera. But anyway, so we are set up. I just parked the car. So basically when you do pop-ups like this, it's best to unload everything and then find a parking spot. This parking spot is like a car in front and a car in back. I don't know how to describe it, but I'll park right here because I don't want anybody to block me in. Yeah, so when you're doing pop-ups, it's good to have two people. But if you have one person and it's only you doing it, I suggest just don't even set your tent up and then put everything under it and then find a parking. So it is 9:44. I want to go on live, but I am still banned, so I have to wait until 11. I think 11:30. I think that's when my ban is over. Let me see. 7. Oh no. 12 o'clock. Yeah.
Does all the work now.
I am walking to the gas station, which is literally right across the street. It's too early for us to eat like real food, I feel, because I don't know, I don't feel like going to Subway. That's where I plan on going later on today. But anyway, so we went to walk, get some snacks. My mom's finishing setting up. We're almost done setting up. Vendors are still coming. I saw some guests already, so yeah, this is cute. This is where we at. That's cute. All right, so that's the company where we're at. Well, company or business that we're at. My mom knows the guy who's running it. She's friends with him, so we're gonna give it a try. We had another event to go to. They canceled on us 2 days ago. We paid our money. We still haven't got our money back for that. The reason why they canceled, he said that he has COVID. So yeah, I wonder what's the real reason. Well, he could have other things. nothing here. Some liquor. Oh, we got Arizona. Let's bring it back. Hold up. Go ahead. I have a last step. That's fine. Yes. All right. Thank you. You have a straw? Yes. Perfect. Thank you. I got a lot of stuff. Let's go. Oh my God. A car accident just happened. Okay, so let me explain what happened. You see that guy right here on the bicycle? So she was trying to avoid him, the car right here, the first car, she was trying to avoid him. So she slowed down and the lady behind her hit her. Damn. So we coming back. That was crazy though. It seemed like they both okay, or her car is messed up. The lady behind her, the one who hit her. But yeah, but let's go back to our section. And this is the parking lot. This is where we all parked at. Judge me, guys. I know.
She be out of line, but she know
You better make this ready. First sale. Right.
Oh yeah, first sale. Go ahead, give me your camera.
Our
First sale, we in this thing. If you didn't know, you would have.
Alright, you already guys know our setup, so I'm going to walk around and show you guys every other setup and then pass out some flyers. This is one of our new arrivals. You guys know I love dresses like this. Alright, I'm walking again. We made a few sales so far. It's time for us to get something to eat. I'm walking to Subway across the street. Look, I make this light. Yeah, so far it is slow, but it's fine. It's fine with me. At least I'm getting like content. That's all that matters. There you go. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I'm just gonna get some food. It's like we have like 3 more hours of the event. So yeah. Hi. So done eating. Now trying to make some money. It's still slow though. And tonight, I know all we do is been eating today. We're gonna talk about some real business tonight.
Business dinner.
Yes, business dinner tonight. So we can write it off. That's what that means. Alright guys, so hopefully I'm going to start standing up, trying to, you know, doing something.
Second Sunday? August, every second Sunday of the month. But the next one's August 14th.
And what is the name of y'all's company?
Today was a successful day. I'm happy with the outcome. So let's start packing up. We're at Denny's. Alright, we got breakfast food for dinner.
Okay.
We appreciate your visit. Enjoy your meal and have a good day.
Yeah, enjoy your meal.
Is that all the time, or they think we have to run out?
Oh.
Okay, so unfortunately we didn't talk. We had a business. We planned on doing a business meeting. We didn't even talk at all.
I don't get no warning. 1, 2, and
I know. I just turned it on. Yeah.
right to my face.
Go right quick. I just want to turn it. I want to turn it on real quick to say one thing. And this is for anyone. Well, let me tell you. Okay. So a guy in there, he was talking to us, right? We know him from years ago. He works there. He is 68 years old. He told us that on Wednesday, he worked 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. the next day. And if you guys know me, I don't like that. I'm sorry. I do not like that. If he was a family member, I would say something to him. If that's something she try to pull. He said that he didn't have enough staff. He's the manager. He had enough staff, and it hurt my heart because jobs don't care about you. That you can be replaced in a second. They don't care how long you've been there. They have no loyalty, and they replace you quick. The turnover for retail, for restaurant, you know, food industry is quick. The turnover is quick because so many people can fulfill your position. And when he said that, I do not like that. I do not like that at all. And you know, I'm a firm believer of using your PTO, taking vacations. And another thing, this is what I really want to say. You have to enjoy life. Do more stuff that you enjoy instead of doing stuff that you have to do. That's what I want to say. What? She don't like when I say stuff like this because
I work.
Yeah, she does. I work too. I work too.
I'm a hard worker.
Yeah, but I don't like that word hard worker neither. Because I'm a hard worker, and everybody acknowledges how hard I am working, but that just says that I wasn't born. Let's see, what's the word for it? I don't know. Life is hard for us. That's what I'm trying to say. You know? When
life was hard for you?
Cause we work so hard just to make ends meet, you know what I mean, and living paycheck to paycheck. That's what I mean in working. That's what it equates to me when I hear it, working hard. I don't know. I'm just saying. No, I might be wrong. But anyway, the moral of the story is don't overwork yourself for a job that doesn't appreciate you.
And you're making somebody else rich.
That's it. You make somebody else rich, and you still.
Because that's something I would have did.
Yeah, you would. And then yes, she would. She would, and she.
Open the clothes.
And it's ridiculous. It's not good for your body, especially when you get older. It's not good for your body. Girl, it would not be me. Nope. I'd rather do something else to make more money. You know what I mean? What I'm doing now, I like working and doing like a little side hustle, our business. I say little, it's not little, it's a big business, big energy. I like what we do, you know what I mean? Like, cause you can't get rich off of one source of income, and working a 9 to 5, you're not gonna get anywhere with that. I'm sorry, It's being realistic. I prefer what we're doing. We working and we're doing our job, and we have a small business, and we do a lot of other stuff. We hustle. You need 7 sources of income.
We have actually 2 businesses.
Yeah, we do. Now we do. But millionaires have 7 sources of income. So that's what I'm saying. I want to get up there. So I prefer what I'm doing. Like I said, working to pay, like my job pays all the necessities and all that. And
the mindset too.
Yeah, and our business pays for, you know, our lifestyle in a sense. But we've been saving and we haven't been shopping that much, you guys know. But anyway, I wanted to say that. Okay, my camera, I'm getting a little anxiety with this like this, but I just wanted to I really wanted to say that. It was on my heart. I really wanted to talk about that because it just happened. We just left Denny's right now, and you guys know we like to eat. But we have a new venture coming. We're doing another pop-up ourselves. That's gonna be another battle. I'm gonna name that series though. I'm gonna make it to like we have a reality show on YouTube, but I don't know what we're gonna name it.
Okay.
But everything's happening. It's happening. But yeah, anyway,
you gotta be ready for it.
Yes. So yeah, I'm gonna end
what you asked for.
There we go. I'm gonna end the vlog here, and then I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. We have another event tomorrow. So yeah. All right. See you guys later. Say bye, Mom.
Bye.